Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest failures fast. First, confirm both the TV and the media device are powered and their LEDs show activity. Make sure wall outlets and power strips work. Once done, use the TV remote to select the exact input. Cycle HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, or USB since a wrong source looks like no device. Then physically check cables. Reseat or swap HDMI/USB cables and try another port so you can rule out a bad lead before deeper fixes. Now tackle settings and software because many invisible blocks live there. You should open the TV's input and device menus to enable external devices, disable any energy-saving input cutoff, and set HDMI mode to standard or enhanced depending on the device. Next, update firmware on both the TV and the media device and reinstall the app or driver you use. Outdated software often breaks detection. Also make sure network settings match if streaming, same Wi-Fi, DHCP active, or a proper static IP to prevent address conflicts. You finish by isolating the cause and applying final remedies. First, connect a known good device, phone or laptop, to the same input to see whether the TV or accessory is at fault. If the problem persists, perform a soft restart and then a factory reset after backing up settings. Resets clear corrupted configs that block media detection. Make sure to test again post-reset. If nothing works, take note of model numbers, firmware versions, and any error messages, and contact manufacturer support. One useful tip: try a powered HDMI hub if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.